Most people do not miss opportunities because they cannot see them. They miss them because the opportunity looks beneath them. A polished office job can feel respectable even when the raises are slow, the student loans are still there, and rent takes most of the paycheck. You sit through Zoom meetings, answer Slack messages, and carry a professional title on LinkedIn. The path may not be making you wealthy, but at least it looks like success. Now tell that same person that a junk removal company, commercial cleaning business, pest control service, or portable toilet company may solve a more urgent problem than their office job. The first reaction is often not curiosity. It is discomfort. Why would someone like me do that? That question reveals an expensive mental trap. Many people think they are evaluating an opportunity when they are really protecting an identity. They are not asking whether the work creates value. They are asking what other people would think if they were associated with it. The market does not pay for prestige. It pays for solved problems. Customers do not care whether your title sounds impressive or whether your work makes a good dinner party story. They care whether you can remove a problem that is urgent, expensive, inconvenient, or difficult to handle themselves. This does not make every ordinary business profitable. A business can have strong demand and still fail because of poor pricing, high labor costs, insurance, equipment, competition, or weak management. The point is not that unglamorous work automatically makes money. The point is that embarrassment is not analysis. Some businesses earn what we might call a hassle tax. Customers are not only paying for labor, they are paying to avoid stress, inconvenience, uncertainty, and wasted time. Junk removal is a simple example. From the outside, it looks like a truck and a few workers carrying away old furniture, renovation debris, or abandoned belongings. But a landlord may need an apartment cleared before a new tenant arrives. A real estate agent may need a house emptied before it can be listed. A contractor may need debris removed before the next phase of work can begin. Those customers are not asking whether the company sounds prestigious. They are asking one question: can you make this problem disappear today? When time matters, reliability becomes valuable. One person sees trash. The customer sees a cleared property, a protected deadline, and relief. That is the difference between judging work from the outside and understanding the problem from inside the customer's life. The same pattern appears in other overlooked industries. Portable toilets are not glamorous, but construction sites, outdoor events, festivals, and community gatherings still require sanitation. Commercial cleaning rarely appears in anyone's fantasy of success, but offices, clinics, schools, gyms, restaurants, and warehouses need to be cleaned repeatedly. Few people dream about pest control, but the moment termites, rodents, or roaches enter a home or restaurant, the problem becomes urgent. These businesses are different, but the principle is the same. Social status and market value are measured by different systems. Social status asks where you work, what your title is, and whether other people are impressed. Market value asks whether the problem is real, how urgently the customer needs it solved, and whether someone can solve it reliably at a sustainable price. Confusing these systems can become expensive. A respected corporate job may offer stability, training, and a clear career path. There is nothing wrong with choosing that life. A local service business may involve risk, physical work, difficult customers, and operational pressure. There is nothing automatically superior about owning one. The mistake is assuming that one path is valuable because it looks impressive, while rejecting the other before studying it. This can be especially difficult for people who followed the college to professional career path. After spending years earning a degree, taking on debt, and building a professional resume, education can become more than an experience. It can become an identity that feels as if it must be protected. A person may look at a cleaning company, a service van, or a junk removal crew and feel that pursuing something similar would mean moving backward. They may never examine the demand, margins, customer base, or competition because the opportunity does not match the image of success they built in their mind. That is not careful judgment. It is career vanity disguised as judgment. Education is supposed to expand your options. But when a degree becomes an identity you are afraid to contradict, it can quietly narrow them. This pressure is not universal. Many plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, contractors, and local business owners earn good incomes and are respected in their communities. But status anxiety still affects how some people evaluate work. They would rather struggle inside a role that looks successful than investigate an opportunity that does not flatter their self-image. The opportunity is visible. Their identity simply refuses to let them look closer. People reject jobs, industries, cities, skills, and relationships because those choices conflict with the identity they want others to see. They confuse familiarity with safety and prestige with progress. Before rejecting an opportunity, ask yourself, is this opportunity actually bad, or does it simply fail to flatter my identity? The difference matters. One answer comes from evidence. The other comes from ego. Real opportunity has never promised to arrive in a modern office or behind an impressive title. It may come through a service van, a warehouse, a cleaning crew, or a problem most people would rather avoid. The goal is not to chase every unglamorous business. The goal is to stop letting appearances make decisions that should be made with evidence. Prestige can shape how people see you. Economic value can give you something more useful. Options. And that may be the better definition of success. Not whether strangers are impressed when they hear what you do, but whether your work gives you the freedom to choose where you live, who you work with, what you accept, and what you can afford to walk away from. Money's most important purpose is not to make you look successful. It is to give you the power to choose.